Mumbai developer Kamala Landmark is in the news yet again as another group of buyers took to the streets in protest alleging cheating, breach of trust and delayed possession. The protest concerned a commercial property, Kamala Industrial Park in Charkop, Kandivali. About 200 buyers had booked 350 galas in this industrial complex and had been allegedly promised possession in the year 2012. Disha Shah caught up with these buyers. Listen in.
Close to 200 owners had booked industrial galas with the Kamala Landmark developer in the year 2008. In fact, buyers alleged that they had paid more than 90% of the amount to the Kamala Landmark developer in 2008, and the developer had promised possession in 2013. In fact, buyers also allege that it's 2016 and the work has been stalled. There is no work happening at this particular site, and the builder has been pushing the dates and not promising any one possession date. In fact, I am joined here by the buyers.
Most of us have booked in the year 2009, and we were promised that we'll be getting the delivery of galas in the year 2011. But in the agreement was said it is late by late will be 2013. But till now, after 2013, we have made several follow-ups with the builder. We had n number of meetings with him and his representatives, but all has gone futile. Nothing has mattered. Even till recent, we had meetings, and when everything failed, we were forced to go to the Honorable High Court and seek justice.
And I paid 90% money to him till now. And actually I am in trouble because I am a senior citizen, I am a retired man. Actually I have taken the loan against my flat, and my son is paying 21,000 rupees every month EMI for the same. So really I am in trouble.
We sold our flat and booked this industrial gala. We are paying even EMI of rupees 70,000 per month for 2.5 years, and still we didn't get the possession. It's very touching that we are earning so hard for our own purpose and we are not getting the possession till the builder is making promises and compromises which he have not given any fruitful reason for it.
It's the same story of everybody. 2009 up to 2016, all our earning has gone. We are middle class family and we don't have any earnings to even spend our livelihood.
We have bought our places to do something for our country so that we can produce some products and help our country, like a Make in India and all that. But nothing is happening. I don't know what he is going to do and when we are going to get our product. We are very fed up from this guy.
हम लोग का इधर 2 गाले हैं, 12 से हम लोग लिए हैं, अभी तभी से बैंक का लोन भर रहे हैं, गोल्ड सब हम लोग का इसके बैज में गया है, घर भी मॉर्गेज है, फिर हम लोग अभी करें क्या?
Majority are basically small scale operators, and to invest in places like this, it's a toll on our finances, and all our hard money we have put in here. It's been 6-7 years, no feedback, no commitments. It's just time buying tactics he's using to extend our project and not giving any possessions.
After paying 90% of the amount, we are being deprived of our livelihood and हमको गाला नहीं मिल रहा है. So I sincerely request all the authorities, all the social workers, political parties to come forward and just give us our galas so we can start our livelihood.
Magic Bricks Now, meanwhile, has reached out to the developer Kamala Landmark for their side of the story. However, we have not yet received any response from the company.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Magic Bricks Now. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.